So we've got 2025 Mercedes GLC. This is how the Ghost 2 immobiliser. We'll show you how it works. So if we start the vehicle up, obviously with the Ghost 2 on here, obviously you put your demonstration password or your normal password. You get 2 flashes in the bottom left hand corner. That now allows you to drive the vehicle. Without the password, you cannot drive the vehicle and it shuts the system back down. To change the password on these vehicles, you must simply, no feet on the pedals, just press your start button so your dash lights come on. We enter the password you currently have. You then get 2 flashes on the bottom left hand side. With that, you put your foot on the accelerator all the way to the floor, and we're going to enter the old password one more time as you're holding. Once you have the flash appear, in some instances, obviously we have to use our high beams. So you hold your high beams towards you and we're going to do the password at the same time. So I'll do that now for you. We keep holding for a few seconds. If we let go, it should now continue to flash on the very left hand side. As you can see, the flash has come up. So that is me using it with the accelerator pedal. So with this, obviously you're going to enter your new password. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to keep it as the same one. It's going to give us 3 flashes on the far left hand corner. We do the same password again. So as you can see, it flashed every time I pressed the password. So that's how you know when your password is being entered. It gives us 2 flashes to confirm it is complete and done. We can now switch the vehicle off, and that is the new password. For service mode, you simply start your vehicle, drive to your destination or your point of where you need to be, and you're going to press your driver's window 5 times. That will switch it off. So 5 times on the driver's window. You get 5 flashes on the bottom left hand corner. That is now in its service mode. So we can switch it off, and that is now off. You can hand the vehicle keys over. They carry out their work or their inspection. You simply start your vehicle. When you're collecting the vehicle, you must reinstate the Ghost. To reinstate the Ghost, you must have your engine on. Input the password you have for your vehicle. You get 2 flashes, and that has now reinstated the Ghost back on and working.